Is morality a human construct, or does it follow a universal law embedded deep within the fabric of nature itself? This question lies at the heart of nature law theory, a philosophical concept that has shaped our understanding of ethics and the natural world. Let us journey back in time to ancient Greece, where the roots of nature law theory lie. Great thinkers like Aristotle and Plato proposed a fascinating idea, a natural order or law that governs the world and human behavior. This idea of a universal law would later be expanded upon by medieval philosophers, notably St. Thomas Aquinas. Aquinas, integrating this concept with Christian theology, argued that natural law is inherent in the rational nature of humans and reflects divine reason. At its core, nature law theory holds several key principles. 1. It proposes a universal morality, suggesting that ethical principles are grounded in the fundamental nature of humans and the world. These principles are universally applicable, transcending cultural or societal differences. 2. It champions reason as a guiding force. Humans, equipped with reason, can discern moral principles inherent in the natural order. 3. It implies the existence of inherent human rights, timeless and applicable in any societal context, derived not from governments or institutions, but intrinsic to human nature. Lastly, it embraces the concept of teleology, the belief that everything in nature has a purpose or end. According to this, human actions should align with the inherent purpose of their nature to achieve moral goodness. As we move into the modern era, nature law theory continues to shape ethical debates, legal philosophy, and discussions on human rights. Yet it isn't without its critiques. Critics argue that defining a universal set of ethical principles based on nature can be subjective and prone to misinterpretation. With the growing awareness of environmental issues, nature law theory has found a new application: environmental ethics. Advocates argue that the natural world itself possesses inherent value and should be respected and preserved according to the principles of natural law. In conclusion, nature law theory has stood the test of time. It's a philosophical framework that bridges the gap between ethics and the natural order. Its principles have influenced moral philosophy, legal thought, and discussions on human rights. Despite criticism, the theory remains a compelling exploration of the relationship between humanity, morality, and the inherent order of the natural world. As we grapple with the complexities of the modern age, the relevance of nature law theory persists, inviting us to ponder our ethical responsibilities in harmony with the timeless laws of nature.